Servus and welcome to Flo's update. You might have realized that I had not made a video the last 2 weeks, I think, and that's because I was on vacation. I was in France in the Vosges, Les Vosges mountain area. I have no idea what that's called in English, at a beautiful Lac de Longemer. I did camping, and initially I had planned to make a couple of videos. I actually bought a Schwenk grill just for that purpose, and then I arrived there and was told that because there had not been any rain for weeks and everything is very dry, it was strictly prohibited to make open fire because of the danger of wildfires. And so I couldn't make those videos, and I was waiting for rain and waiting for rain, hoping that it would get. But at the same time, of course, I was happy that there was no rain, because for the vacation it was pretty nice to have sun for 2 weeks along. Yeah, so here I'm on my way back. First thing I'm gonna do when I'm back home is shoot a video for you, so that we get back to the regular schedule of one video a week. This is mountains, it's very curvy, and unfortunately the thing I'm sitting in here is not my motorhome. It's a motorhome that I've rented. I'm a bit in a hurry because in 2 hours I have to return it. And yeah, it was a beautiful vacation. I'm sorry I couldn't shoot any videos. It would have been a fantastic view, just like cooking in front.
Nach 400 Metern links abbiegen auf D34D.
At the same time, if people say in America or Canada think of camping would mean it's you in the wide open. But yeah, Europe is very, very, let's say, tightly settled. There are a lot of people, so there is no...
Links abbiegen auf D34D.
We have campgrounds where there is just caravans.
Dem Straßenverlauf von D34D noch 2 Kilometer folgen.
That you'll probably see right now. Yeah, so get an impression where I spent the last 2 weeks, and it was just a good time. It was very relaxing. I could like refuel myself, and I'm already looking forward to shooting videos for you. And yeah, we're approaching the Oktoberfest season, so the next videos you're gonna see will be about Oktoberfest classics. Also, what you can see here is my new t-shirts. You will find them in the shop. I got 2 designs for Oktoberfest. This one says Prosit. You can probably not read it right now, but I'll show it to you later. And yeah, there is a strange thing, because the administration of Munich, the mayor of Munich, they actually registered Oktoberfest and Wiesn as a trademark. So I cannot sell t-shirts saying Oktoberfest or Wiesn. So I've made 2 designs. The one says Prosit, meaning ein Prosit der Gemütlichkeit. You'll probably know that. And the other thing is Ozapft is, and that's what people shout when they hit the tap to the barrel. And yeah, it's a nice design as well, so I kind of avoided getting in trouble for copyright trademark violations. In US or anywhere outside Europe, it wouldn't matter to use it. It's just registered in Europe, and I have no possibility in my shop to offer things only outside Europe. So yeah, that's the way it is. But Otzapft is just the thing that says, okay, now we go drinking, and yeah, what's better than that? And what you can also see in this region, a lot of people go cycling. For me, that's absolutely crazy, going uphill all day. I kind of admire these guys, but at the same time, of course, if you're driving, they're a nuisance, and I wish they would all just get fast cars to get out of my way. So, vite, 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 allez, allez! Yeah, I turned a bit into a Frenchie the last 2 weeks. Oh yeah,
Dem Straßenverlauf von D417 noch 19 Kilometer folgen.
Disaster, because initially I rented a caravan. So yeah, I went to the caravan lease thing, and I wanted to pick up the caravan, and then we realized that the jack for the electricity in my car didn't work. So yeah, traveling with a trailer, with a camping trailer that does not have any lighting in the back, no signals, no brake lights and all that thing, that would of course be heavily dangerous. So I was looking for somebody who could repair the car. That took me an hour to took me a day, not an hour, to just find a workshop that would work on the car. And I got back there, and they changed the jack, but in the end that didn't help. So I was there with a trailer, but no possibility to get it to that lake because I couldn't use it with my car. So after a few attempts to get that thing repaired and no success for whatever reason, I will still have to find out what the problem was. So I couldn't tow the caravan. Then it turned out that they actually have that they had a spare motorhome, and that's what I'm riding now. And yeah, unfortunately, that was
in 300 Metern halb rechts abbiegen.
That was a pretty costly upgrade, but then yeah, it was my vacation and I needed that, and my daughter is with me. She would have cried a river if that didn't work out, and me myself as well. And so yeah, we rented that motorhome, and I love that thing. It is just, yeah, so comfortable, and I get a bit of a trucker feeling here. Now look at that. This is so beautiful. Rocks. And now there's gonna be a beautiful view to the valley. So I'm on the top of the pass. It's like I crossed the Vosges, and now it's going back down into the Rhine-Ebene, Rhine Valley, let's say, and we're gonna cross that and go to the Black Forest area, and that's where I rented the motorhome. I'll return it and then get back home to Bavaria with my Jeep. And yeah, I'll leave you with those beautiful impressions and try to concentrate on my trucking here. It's a bit of a challenge in those curvy mountain roads, while probably talking quite some nonsense here and trying to avoid rolling down the hill. So yeah, next video is gonna be about yeah, I'm not yet sure. I could either make Ochsenfetzen, that's definitely a traditional Oktoberfest dish, and also maybe I'm gonna make Weißwurst. I think it's time to make Weißwurst as well. So I'll see you in a week. Have a good one. I will not gulp down a beer right now. I had a couple of French beers the last weeks, and I look forward very much to get back to my Augustina. Yeah. Cheers. Bye bye. Have a good one.